Nothing exposes you to the frustrating assembly line mentality of modern medicine like neck and back pain. Whether you've just started experiencing pain or been dealing with it for months, the goal should be to get you back to enjoying the activities you love, not shuffling you from doctor to doctor. Hi, I'm Dr. Brian McHugh. While I'm a board-certified neurosurgeon and specialize in the latest minimally invasive techniques, 90% of the patients we care for will never see the operating room. My goal is to provide you with the utmost care, prioritizing patient goals and settling for nothing less than perfection. More likely than not, you're looking for a neurosurgeon. You've heard terms like fusion, PLIF, ACDF, in-network and out-of-network thrown around. We have one priority, the patient, and doing what it takes to get you back, living the life you deserve. Here at McHugh Neurosurgery, your pathway to relief awaits. Click or call to schedule a consultation today.